2, 3. Start speaking.
All I can say about the situation with Dr. Thomas Harvey and the DRX 9000 is that prior to the day that I walked in here and started my treatments, I had just about reached my wit's end. I had been dealing with traditional medicine for almost 6 months on chronic sciatica that I've had for the past few years. I was in excruciating pain the entire time. I went through a total of 5 spinal epidurals, 1 thermal ablation where they tried to burn away the nerve ends, and they were scheduling me for a surgical consultation at the time that I found out about Dr. Harvey. And I found out about him from my acupuncturist, who just happens to work in the building next door. I came in, I had already been seeking information on the DRX 9000 from an infomercial I saw, but I hadn't found anybody that actually had the equipment. And there's not a doubt in my mind that fate, or the powers that be, or God Almighty, or whoever put me there at that particular point in time with him in order to get to the situation that I'm at right now, which is I've had an 80 to an 85% overall reduction in my pain level. I have completely stopped using the narcotics. Yesterday was the first day that I went back to work. I'm a driver in the film industry, and my first day back on the job was 19 hours, and I didn't have any problem at all with it. As a matter of fact, I'm coming off that 19 hours. I'm here this morning to make a testimonial on his behalf in the hopes that it will help others who have gone through what I and countless other people that I personally know have gone through. There's nothing that is as debilitating psychologically or emotionally or spiritually as having to deal with long-term chronic pain. It just slowly erodes the quality of your life till you get to that point in time where you're just basically waiting to die so the pain will stop, which is obviously not a good condition to be in. But when you've been hurting for that long, you really just don't care anymore. By the 3rd treatment that I had on the DRX 9000 from Dr. Harvey, I was able to sleep peacefully that night, throughout the night, which was the first time that I had had a full night's sleep in 6 months. Since that particular point in time, each successive session that I had on the DRX 9000 has made me just a little bit better than the one prior to it. There's absolutely nothing that I can say that can express how grateful I am to him and to this equipment and to his ability to use the equipment. It has totally changed the quality of my life. It basically gave me my life back, which I know sounds a little trite, and I know that term is used a lot, but in actuality it's true. That's exactly what happened. I would recommend the procedure to anybody who is suffering with this type of back pain for whatever the reason may be, or for however long they've been suffering with it. Many of my friends have been suffering with this type of pain for 20, 25, 30 years, and they just live with it on a daily basis. So I have kind of made it my personal mission in life to tell as many people that I know about, the success that I've had in this particular situation, in the hopes that they will contact Dr. Harvey and have the same type of experience with him. There's not a doubt in my mind that, although I may not know what level, there's not a doubt in my mind that anybody that would go through this procedure is definitely going to be better off when the procedure is done than when they started. In my case, I expect to be fully recovered in the next couple of weeks, and quite honestly, I don't think that I'm going to have the problem again. The nice thing is knowing that if for some reason I do have a reoccurrence of the problem, I now know exactly what I need to do, exactly who I need to see, and that would be Dr. Harvey, in order to solve the problem. And I would recommend it to anybody without reservation, and I would be more than happy to speak to anybody that would like to talk to me about it, because it has absolutely changed my life. All I can say, Dr. Harvey, is thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for giving me my life back, for giving me my relationship back, for giving me my family back, for giving me back all the things that the pain took away. Thank you.